Hi everybody! If you use your dishwasher a lot, like every day, just like I do, and your dishwasher doesn't look like this one, look how clean this is. If for any reason you look at your dishwasher and it doesn't look this clean, you see it looks just like new. It's because you need to clean it. That is, change these parts over here, okay? If they're very dirty, you have to buy the replacement parts and you have to clean it with this bleach. Any bleach that you like, okay? First, you gotta clean everything, every part of it, and then put a little bowl, and then put a little bowl in here with some bleach in it, full of bleach, no water, just bleach, and put one entire cycle. You'll see that it will end up like this. Beautiful, clean. I was really frustrated that I use my dishwasher every day and it started to look like yellowish and with mold. But once I cleaned it with this bleach, look, it's like a brand new one, a brand new dishwasher that I have. So give it a try. Just clean it with bleach. Remember to use gloves, okay? Hope it helps. I've tried many things, but this is the one that worked for me. Hope it works for you. Bye, have a good day. Put any comments below if you have any questions. Bye.